Morning guys, and in front of me is OPPO K11 and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. At first enroll list of all apps, find and select settings and go to wallpapers and style. Now select wallpapers and choose either your own album, workshop, online wallpaper, live wallpaper or static wallpapers, however you like. Pick the one that you want to apply. And then once you want to apply particular wallpaper, you can also zoom it in or out, however you like, and then click on apply. Tap on lock screen or home and lock screens, and that's it. That would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.